वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Ramcharan had started his career with 8 years in research and development, working for an American software corporation. After which, he had learned and earned sufficiently to set up his own company in India. He came from a conservative middle-class family. He seemed to be very hyperactive and task-oriented. He obviously devoted his all energy into creating and designing solutions. The case of Trinity is a typical case of startup in software domain, wherein one person's idea gets converted into a business proposition and an organization is getting created. 5 years down the line, with 150 employees and 3 critical senior managers who had a significant role in the building of an organization, the decision that the co-founder CEO Ramcharan takes at this juncture will have a bearing on the future growth and performance of Trinity. The case represents many interesting paradigms. When a firm is growing, people management can become quite a challenge. The CEO especially needs to equip himself with all the adequate resources to fulfill the challenging needs of the changing team. Monday morning. For the 4-member senior management team of Trinity firm, the week would begin with a closed-door meeting. The CEO, Ramcharan, was already there in the conference room, ready with his laptop, armed with all the facts and figures he would need. Tapping his pen continuously, he looked at his watch for the 3rd time. It's 9:25 a.m. The door opened.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, have a seat. Yes, Dada, have a seat.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. Hi, Samir, how are you? Well, Akash?
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. I hope everything is going fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell them I have a call, okay? Just a sec. Hello? Yeah, sir. Okay. Yeah, I'm attending a meeting. I'll call you afterwards. Okay, bye. Well, gentlemen, you must be wondering who is she. She is Anita Joshi, our new financial investment advisor. Well, ma'am, this is Akash, our HR manager. This is Samir, marketing manager.
Good morning, ma'am.
And this is Siddharth, our operation manager. Well, the main reason behind I'm calling her is to diagnose the firm's current position. That includes the efficiency of personal and professional goals of the employees. Well, Samir, why we are not performing so well? Our company is not doing that good. Can you tell me the reason behind that?
So it's because that competition in the market is getting tougher day by day.
Okay, then what do you expect when the insider turn against our own company?
So can you be a little more clear? Like,
I know that you are promoting your own business by using the company resources. For that reason, I can sue you, or even I can get you arrested.
So you cannot harm me in any way because you don't have any evidence against me.
All of you have joined me to work towards a common goal, and now you have become so selfish that you are trying to compete with me. None of you have the caliber or the courage to set up a firm on your own, employ people and growing financially. It is a high time for me to list down the code of conduct for everyone. If anyone is unwilling to be part of our new self-disciplined workforce, you are welcome to resign right now. Believe that, man? This is what I was talking about. Now you know the kind of challenges that we are facing around here.
Do you always lose your temper like this, and even in front of your able subordinates?
Well, I have a short temper. But what else could I do under the circumstances? He is stabbing me in back. Anyhow, where do you want me to begin?
I'd like to have some one-to-one interaction with key people, including your senior management team. But before that, I would like to meet some juniors. You know, to feel the pulse of the company, that's where the real action is.
क्या हुआ तुम्हें, क्या हुआ? क्या हुआ कैसी बात की उसने यार? हाउ कैन यू ब्लेम मी लाइक दिस? ऐसे थोड़ी चलता है यार।
हाँ यार, वो अब क्या बोल रहा था कि मैंने खुद से मेहनत किया, तुम लोग अपने कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे हो, हमने भी 5 साल दिए कंपनी के, तो बात कैसे कर रहा है ऐसा?
उसका ये पहली बार का नहीं है यार, हमेशा से अपने को सुनाते आ रहा है, और आज तो हद हो गई। वो नई एम्प्लॉय आई थी, उसके सामने हम लोगों को सुना रहे हैं। ये तो
यार हम लोग 5 साल से उसके ऑफिस में काम कर रहे हैं यार,
इस तरह का एटीट्यूड नहीं चलेगा यार।
कमी ना है बेचारा एक नंबर का, मन कर रहा है कुछ फेंक के मारो उसको।
Hi Praveena. Hello ma'am, how are you? What do you feel about the company? At the outside, everything is fine. The physical setting and the facilities over here are really good. The popular joke is that it is resembled to a NASA research center. And what is your opinion about your senior managers? They are very good persons. Initially, they were the hard workers and the star performers of the company. But lately, we have heard the rumors that they are not concentrating on the company's affairs. Rather than, they are looking for their own personal benefit. Why he was so angry on you all?
He seems to be confused about sharing the burden of being an owner with the professionals. He frequently displays an emotional outburst, his anger and tension, so it is nothing new for us. It is a regular activity he does.
As your CEO said that you are concentrating on your own business rather than your company's affairs. So what do you want to say on it?
Well, we all feel that the Trinity was becoming like a stepping stone to learn. Most people agreed that the work experience which we got from the Trinity was just awesome.
But we were dissatisfied that the firm did not give us any clues about the multi-dimensional development of employees.